Alright boys, so in today's video you will be seeing our 1958 Chevrolet Corvette, C1 Corvette. First fire. We've had the car probably 7 months now. Complete restoration, you know, paint, fucking re-chromed, all that. So, you know, we're starting to get some progress somewhere. So we had the motor in for a while. So, just kind of the end of the week, and parts are going on, exhaust went on, so we figured out why not dump some fuel down it, see if we got some spark, and you know, see if it fires up. So it in fact did, and you know, this is a little video before the video, but yeah, so you know, hang out and you know, just check it out. It's gonna be unedited, it's just raw footage. It's like 12 minutes long, but yeah, now if you guys enjoy, smash that like button, and you know, if you want to see more of it, you know, I can definitely record more on it. But yeah, no, everybody seems to be interested in the car, so I figured I'd just you know, document the action. So yeah, like I said, if you like it, follow along for more, and enjoy the video.
There we go.
Go. I think we might be at 2 o'clock, because I gotta be like all the way in here to get fire.
Alright, so want to try and move it a little bit?
Yeah.
Hello?
I could call him next time.
Alright. Just sucking it in. Bunch of blowhards. Punch that. That's a healthy one. But I think you're in the right spot though. Oh. Is your camera still going?
Yeah. Raw footage, baby. Do it for the boys.
Ooh,
Fucking spicy hot.
there's a. Hey, we got a big oil coming. hot enough to burn your hand. Or if you experience engine issues like misfire or poor performance. Oil may be overheating.
One more.
Look it up and see what that is there. You know when you're ready, you'll pump the gas. All right, hold on.
Well, it started.
It did start.